Hey there! Today, we're delving into the secret to stabilizing any shot using DaVinci Resolve 18. Let's jump right in. First, open your clip in the color page of DaVinci Resolve. Navigate to the tracker panel and change it to the stabilizer menu. By default, the strength is set to 0.25 and the method is set to perspective. Increase the strength to 1 and hit the Stabilize button. Let the AI do the work. This method works well when there are no moving objects in the scene. And there you have it, stabilizing your footage in DaVinci Resolve 18. This script demonstrates a comprehensive guide on how to stabilize video in DaVinci Resolve 18 using the Stabilizer menu and the classic stabilizer, especially when there are moving objects within the scene.
If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.